Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are create a migration file and we create our necessary column for our CRUD operation and run the migration file. Let's dive in. We need to create a migration file. We can do this easily using artisan. Just open your artisan and write PHP artisan make model student. I am writing here model because we will create three files at once. Mm, The one is migration file and one is model and last one is our controller. That's why I'm writing here model. Model name is student and minus M means migration and C means controller. We create our three files. Let's go to migration file. To do this, we have to go database and here will be our create student table. This is our table. We created our migration file successfully. Now we need to define our all the columns. Here is ID and we make relationship with this student table and user. Here is table. We need to use this unsigned big integer because which column we are going to make relationship, the data type must be same. That's why in user table this id, what is the data type, and what is our relationship column, that will also be same as. And next string name, string take phone number. We can also take role, address. So it will be okay for testing our code operation. So now let's move to relationship table. Here will be foreign and here is the column name, which column I am going to make this relationship. It will be user id and reference will be id in user table and in on will be table name, it is user. So we successfully define our all the columns and relationship also. Let's run the migrate PHP artisan migrate. Our migrate completed and let's move to the PHP myadmin. This is our data. This is our table name. Check all the field has been created successfully. And this is the user ID. This is make relationship with user table. Thank you for watching.